Wae Rebo is a remote traditional village located in the Manggarai Regency of East Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. The village, situated at an altitude of 1,200 meters above sea level and nicknamed the "Land Above the Clouds," is known for its unique and stunning natural beauty. The village has 7 main houses, known as barun, which are inhabited by only 6 families and must be reached by trekking approximately 7 kilometers. Meanwhile, the Gendong house is occupied by 8 families. The most notable feature of Wae Rebo is the Mbaru Niang house, a cone-shaped building made from natural materials sourced from the surrounding environment. The house is arranged around a circular stone structure called kampong, the center of activity and where the villagers connect with their ancestral nature and God. The architecture reflects the philosophy of social life in the Wae Rebo community, representing the harmony between humans and nature, and is a physical reflection of the social life of the Manggarai people. Each house is composed of 5 levels, with the ground floor or first level where family members live and do their activities, the second level where they store daily food, the third level where they store seeds, the 4th level where they store long-term food reserves, and the 5th level for storing items for offerings made of woven bamboo. Wae Rebo not only presents the beauty of nature but also the diversity of social and cultural life in this village, which is a unique attraction. The village is home to 44 families whose main livelihood is agriculture, specifically the cultivation of tubers, cloves, and coffee. Women in the community engage in activities such as cooking, child-rearing, weaving, and helping men in the fields. The people of Wae Rebo still maintain their traditional way of life in accordance with the culture and traditions passed down from their ancestors. The village relies on a mountain spring for its clean water needs, which is divided into 2 parts, Sosor Pria and Sosor Wanita, for men and women, respectively. To get to Wae Rebo, one must first travel to Labuan Bajo in Flores, Indonesia. From there, visitors can arrange a guided tour with local tour companies to take them to Denj village. The journey from Labuan Bajo to Denj takes approximately 10 hours by car, passing through scenic landscapes and picturesque villages. Once in Denj, visitors can begin the challenging trek to Wae Rebo, which takes approximately 3 to 4 hours through steep and rugged terrain. The trek is best undertaken with a local guide who can provide valuable insights into the culture and history of the region. Wae Rebo village is a hidden gem in Indonesia. The unique architecture, social and cultural diversity, and traditional way of life make it a special destination for visitors seeking an authentic cultural experience. While the journey to Wae Rebo may be challenging, the stunning views and unique cultural experience make it all worth it.